Hi guys, so I'm gonna do just one eye this time because I didn't have time for anything else. So I'm just gonna start with my Peely base all over my eye, and then I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow palette and go in with a dark shade and just kind of place my shade on the lid. Not worrying about blend right now. I'm just placing the shade and kind of intensifying, making sure to go a little bit above my crease. Then I'm gonna add a darker shade now on top of that first shade and just kind of place that color there, because that's gonna help me create depth and help me when doing the cut crease for it to look sharper. I'm just kind of blending those two colors together. So now I'm just gonna go in with this shade and kind of like go a little bit of in between that color, that last color that we placed, and that's gonna help me like blend out the edges. So I'm just gonna add it first and then kind of blend the two together, and then with the fluffier brush I'm just gonna kind of like blend it out even more. And you're gonna see me go back and forth, just kind of like placing color and then blending out too, because when you blend out you tend to lose color sometimes. And here I'm just cutting the crease with the Peely base. This is the shade 0, which is a white one. So I'm just kind of forming my cut crease. After that, I'm just gonna go in with that same shade, the darker shade that we use, and kind of blend it and prevent that harsh line. Now I'm going with this pigment from Inglot, and with pigments I usually just use a setting spray and spray it on my brush, or just pick up the pigment and onto my eye. With that first shade, I'm gonna blend it out with the pinkier shade of a pigment, and I'm just kind of blending those two together. You guys, if you need pigments, J. LaRue is the place to go. I love their pigments so much. So that's what I'm doing there. I'm just kind of blending those two colors together, those two pigments. So now my favorite part, eyeliner. I'm using this Sephora one, which is amazing. I love it. I'm not going back to anything else. I've been using this nonstop. It's the best. Now with the help of a wipe, just kind of wipe everything away and make that line sharper. Now going with this Lash Kitty lashes, I'm gonna just pop them on. I'm going now with eyebrows with my pomade from Benefit Cosmetics. I have a brow tutorial coming up, so you'll see that soon. Just kind of doing hair like strokes up in the front because I have no hair. So now I'm just gonna pretty much clean out my brows with this concealer. Super easy. This brush that I use, I bought it off of Walmart. and they're from like the arts and crafts section. So now I'm just kind of sharpening that eyeliner, going underneath with all the colors that I use up on top. Some mascara, then just highlighting that inner corner. Next step, just putting on some lipstick, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.